In today's tutorial, we will show you how you can delete a YouTube video very quickly from your YouTube channel. Now, if you do a search as of September 18, 2018 on YouTube on how to delete a YouTube video, this is the latest one. Now, it's a great little video. However, it is showing you how to do this using the old Creator Studio, and now Google has come up with a YouTube Studio, which is currently in the beta stage, and we suspect that this will be the new standard in the next month or so. So how do we delete a video? Once you log into YouTube, you're going to go to your avatar up here in the top right, and you're going to click YouTube Studio Beta. Once you're here, you're going to want to click on videos. Then you can choose the video that you want to delete. So let's say we want to delete this video. You will see the little three dots here, and you will click delete. I understand. Delete video. Video successfully deleted. So there you have it. If you enjoyed our video, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel for more cool videos.